excited. Don't forget to click that like button and let me know in the comment section down below more Putri Ariani you want me to check out. Anyway, without further ado, let's get it. Ooh. Such a lovely voice. Can't get over her voice. See, this is what I wanted to see. Multiple camera angles is what I wanted to see. Look at how packed out the place was. So I go, but I know. Oh yeah, that's Putri. Every step of the way. Acapella Putri Ariani coming in the house. Look at that packed out place. Oh, this is sick. This is sick. I love it. I love it. Absolutely love it. Oh my God, she's got the crowd singing it. She's got the crowd singing it. Woo. Now this is a better version I can hear properly. Ooh. Ooh. I'm happy that I went back and checked this out to really further be able to hear it a lot more better and hear how talented she is. And not obviously we already know how talented she is, but actually hear how well she sings it and actually, yeah, just check out this proper version because I really wanted to see. And how touching that her singing is. Like, look at everyone. Apart from this guy in the middle here, not paying attention with the white shirt and the glasses look to the side. Hey, main focus, Putri. Hey, focus on Putri. Where's your focus? Putri. Okay. Where is he looking? The vocals, man. Jeez, Putri Ariani, stop it. We'll always love you. Got me singing it now. Such an amazing song. Honestly, I think she's singing it and doing it better than the original. I'm just saying. Don't hate me for that. Don't hate me. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Or don't hate the game, hate the player. One of the two. Jeez, the guy busted on the guitar. Love it, love it. So good. Jeez, busting out on that electric guitar. Jeez, man, her vocal, just her vocal tones and the different notes that she can hear is always so amazing, man. I keep saying it. I know I sound like a broken record, but her voice is so good. Like, she could do that deep sound, but also do the high sound and do the mids, do the falsettos. Everything she does is just absolutely amazing. I am here for it. Let's get it. Oof. You hear that? Mana mana, like the deep grunt vocal. Man, jeez, Putri. The fact that she could... Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, the emotion. The emotion. The emotion, man. I love it. I love it. So good. Oh, you could see the emotion that she's putting into this performance too, just with her like facial, just with her face and the faces that she's pulling as well. And it's so amazing how she could just play the keys and perform on stage, man. Oh, it's so amazing. Is she getting emotional? It looked like she started tearing up for a sec there. Or that might be her glitter makeup. Yeah, it might be her glitter makeup glistening. It really does look like she's getting emotional though. Woo! I'm so glad that I checked out this version. So glad. Jeez, Putri. Putri Ariani coming in with the amazing cover. I am so glad I checked this out because in the fan cam version, obviously it's good, but like you just see one